Hello, my name is Ben, and on this YouTube channel I document my own print-on-demand journey. On Amazon Merch, I'm still tier 100, unfortunately. Do a quick update video. I haven't spoken to about Amazon Merch for a while now. The reason that I make this video now is that I finally have 100 published designs. It took me a while to get there now, because since the upgrade that I received probably a couple of weeks ago, when they changed my account so that basically the new sort of tier system is in effect, which means that for each upload is now basically counting as one design instead of one product as it was before. So I now have 100 published designs. The problem is that they still have this limit in terms of how many products you can actually upload. So when they gave me this sort of upgrade, I had I think around 83 to 85 published designs. Before that, it was 100 products, and I was actually looking forward to finally getting tier 500 because I had more than 100 sales already, and I had 100 products uploaded. But then the upgrade came, and I had to upload, I think it was like 16 more designs. Now the problem was that at the moment, as you can see here, even though you can then in effect upload more designs, it takes you forever to do it and put that on all the products, because at the moment they still have the limit that you can only upload 2 products per day. So in effect, it doesn't really help me a lot at the moment. Yes, I have more designs to upload now, but actually, I can only put do 2 uploads per day. So it is really slow, and it really takes a long time. So however, I have now today, with effect of today, I've got 100 designs published. So I really hope I'll get the tier 500 status very soon, because I hit the 100 sales actually, I think it was a month ago, maybe a bit longer. And then it took a couple of weeks, and then I received this upgrade, and then I had to upload more designs and to publish more designs. But now finally I have that 100, and hopefully I'll get the upgrade soon. I know the last upgrade was, I think, around the 8th of June. I am the last tier up. I haven't heard anything since then. I know that also people had the tier up who didn't have 100 designs online. So I'm not quite sure what is happening, because I have got far over 100 sales now. It was 12 sales this month. It's not great, but only with 100 designs, what can you do? I still have the feeling I don't really use the entire potential of Amazon Merch at the moment, but that's purely because of time. I purely don't have time to cycle through all the designs, and I do it sometimes, but not as often as I should do. Because in an ideal world, what you want to do, you want to take out the designs that are not selling and upload other designs. But I just don't have the time to do it every day or every week. So yeah, but anyway, I have over 100 sales. So I'm really waiting desperately for the upgrade to tier 500. It's been a lot of work to get it to this point, and hopefully I'll be there soon. So as I said, tier 100, I had one rejection, but that was a while ago. And you can see here for June, I've had 12 sales. That was a good day here, pretty much in the beginning of the month, where I had 5 sales actually in the UK. I still have them priced fairly low because I hope to make more sales with that. I'm not sure if that actually works, but yeah, it is still, 12 sales isn't bad. I think it's one of the better months I had on Merch by Amazon anyway. I really like to get more, but I would have to work more and just cycle through the designs, I think. Make sure that I have more bestsellers online. But also I just need more designs online. And with tier 100, it's hard to make so many sales. But yeah, I'll get there hopefully very soon. It all depends on when they do the next tier up and if I will be selected. So I'm not entirely sure how they do that after the upgrade. What I know, however, is this new development. So what they do is they've announced that yesterday they have a automatic product upload feature to maximize the reach on Merch. This is new. I think it will come in effect on some point middle of July. They put here July 13th, but it's not entirely clear if their automated upload feature will come into effect on that day. What in effect happens, and that is very, very interesting, it just shows that they want to scale out and just put their designs onto more marketplaces. What they say, for example, if I upload one design, put it onto one product, onto one marketplace, what they can do with that change, and you automatically opted into that, you can opt out if you want to, but I don't see why you would do it. So they can then, from that design, if they think it's worth doing it, they put it onto different marketplaces and they put it onto different products. And they do that automatically. So as far as I've understood, there should be somewhere here an automated upload symbol sign here in the manage screen, I think. And eventually then, it's not there yet, but there you will be able to see which designs they have automatically uploaded to other marketplaces and to other products. You will still get your royalties, and every automated upload doesn't actually count to your published design. So if I already have or to your products, if I already have 100 designs uploaded, and let's say I've maxed out my product potential, it will take ages with just 2 products submitted every day. But anyway, just assuming that I had my whole product potential filled out, and all designs uploaded, and they would then automatically upload my designs to other products or marketplaces, that wouldn't count to the product potential. That's how I did read it. And I think it's great. I think it just will allow them, maybe best sellers or whatever, they will automatically put them onto other marketplaces. They might translate them, and it just means more sales for you. I think you are limited in terms of how to set the price. I don't exactly know how it will work, because the feature isn't there yet, and I don't know if they will do that with everybody or will they just do it with certain best sellers. But certainly very interesting, and it just shows that they really want to take over the entire print-on-demand market. They're expanding rapidly and very aggressively. And my understanding is that they do this because probably most people are focusing on the US marketplace, which, to be honest, is probably the biggest market anyway. And that's why most people focus on there, especially with the tier system where you have limited designs that you can upload. So most people will put it onto the US marketplace. But then other marketplaces where they have the infrastructure, like let's say just Germany or just other I don't know which are the separate marketplaces, but maybe just France or Spain, and where people just don't put their designs onto. But yeah, what they want to do is just allow that to happen. So they want to automatically scale these designs out onto different marketplaces, which means more sales for them, more sales for you. Sounds like a win-win situation. We'll see how it turns out. I don't think it's good for any other print-on-demand websites, like for example Tostadora, which is a Spanish one. So if all the Amazon Spain marketplace then gets flooded with these designs, these smaller print-on-demand websites might suffer in the long run, certainly. So we'll see how it turns out. So yeah, just an update video today about Amazon Merch. Haven't really spoken about Amazon Merch for a while. 100 published designs now. I really hope I'll get the tier up soon, and I'll let you know when that happens. Alright, hopefully you liked the video. If you did, then please smash the like button, and if you want to follow me on my print-on-demand journey, subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.